Good blood flow isn't just about circulation, it's about life. Blood circulation is the body's delivery system. It's how oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells reach every corner of your body, from your brain to your toes. If you have poor blood flow, your body isn't getting enough oxygen and nutrients, and that can lead to serious problems over time. Here's what can happen. Cold hands and feet, numbness or tingling especially in your fingers, toes, or legs, fatigue, brain fog, slow healing of cuts or wounds, swelling in legs or ankles caused by fluid buildup due to poor circulation, varicose veins, erectile dysfunction in men, chest pain or high blood pressure, and increased risk of blood clots which can lead to heart attacks or strokes. So it's important to boost your blood circulation, and today, I'll be sharing 8 fruits that can naturally improve blood flow. Let's get into it, and make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is a powerful fruit most people overlook. 1. Grapes, especially red or purple. Red and purple grapes are packed with resveratrol, a compound shown in studies to increase nitric oxide in the blood. This helps relax blood vessels and improve overall circulation. One study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that grape polyphenols helped reduce blood pressure and improved endothelial function, which means your blood vessels work better. Fun fact, most of these benefits are found in the skin of the grapes, so eat them whole, not peeled. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries have powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins, which not only give them their deep color, but also help open up blood vessels and make them more flexible. A study published in Circulation, a journal of the American Heart Association, found that eating blueberries daily for just 6 weeks improved artery function in adults with metabolic syndrome. They also help reduce oxidative stress, which damages blood flow over time. 3. Oranges and other citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, which has been shown to increase blood flow and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. In a small human study, daily orange juice consumption was linked to improved endothelial function, meaning the blood vessels were better able to expand and contract, which is key for healthy circulation. Tip: fresh squeezed or whole fruits work better than bottled juice, which often lacks the full flavonoid content. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, which turns into L-arginine in your body, and that helps increase nitric oxide, a key compound that relaxes arteries. One study from Florida State University found that people who took watermelon extract experienced lower blood pressure in just 6 weeks. Interesting detail, the white part of the rind has even more L-citrulline than the red flesh, so don't toss it. 5. Bananas. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps your body flush out excess sodium. Too much sodium causes your blood vessels to tighten, raising blood pressure and reducing flow. According to the American Heart Association, keeping a good balance of potassium and sodium helps your arteries stay relaxed and open. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it to someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are high in ellagic acid and polyphenols that protect your blood vessels from inflammation and damage. In a study published in Nutrition Research, daily strawberry intake helped reduce LDL cholesterol and improved blood flow markers. What's unique is that these benefits come even from frozen strawberries, so it doesn't have to be fresh to be effective. But of course, fresh is the best. 7. Tart cherries. Rich in anthocyanins and melatonin, tart cherries help reduce inflammation and improve vascular function. Studies show they may lower blood pressure and improve sleep, both of which support healthy circulation. In a randomized controlled trial, older adults who drank tart cherry juice daily for 12 weeks saw a significant drop in systolic blood pressure and LDL cholesterol, both key markers of cardiovascular health. Another study found that just 2 hours after consuming a tart cherry beverage, participants had a 7 mmHg reduction in systolic blood pressure compared to a placebo. Last but not the least, 8. Tomatoes. Yes, still a fruit. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that improves vascular function and reduces the risk of arterial stiffness. In a study from Korea, people who ate tomato extract had better blood vessel elasticity and lower levels of oxidized LDL or bad cholesterol. Pro tip: cooking tomatoes in olive oil increases lycopene absorption by up to 4 times, so tomato sauce might be even better than raw tomatoes. Add a few to your daily routine to keep your blood flowing, your vessels happy, and your energy up.